your community life. So I'd like to, my role tonight is to simply introduce, to provide an introduction to our presentation tonight. And I'd like to mention a couple of things. First things first is, again, we would like to welcome all of you. And you are being part of a history in the making. Now, without any emotion involved, I'd like to begin with a question to everyone, which is a very practical question. I believe all of us here are OFWs, right? And for one reason or the other, we decided to stay away from our homeland to be here somewhere in the Middle East and pursue a certain way of living and to some extent pursue a certain quality of life. But one way or the other, correct me if I'm wrong, dead or alive, we have to go back home. So I'd like to share a personal realization. I've been in the Middle East and I'm happily married with my wife. We've been around here for more than 15 years. I'm not that old, but I think 15 years abroad is quite old to be abroad. Now, my question would be, and this is my question to myself and me and my wife has been contemplating a lot. When can we retire? Thank God we are blessed with really a good job, and we are thankful to God for that. We are blessed with an amazing workplace. We are blessed with substantially, I would say, by God's grace, generous income. However, one reality also exists that you cannot simply let go of that income if you want to retire. You have to hold on to it. If you're holding on to it, there are pros and cons. You can live comfortably abroad. You can save some money. You can travel. You can start to invest. But the other reality also exists. Hanggang kailan mo gusto mamuhay away from your homeland na gusto mong uwian? Because at the end of the day, pag tanda natin pare-pareho, you'd like to establish a community. Challenging yung pagtanda natin ng 60, 65 dahil wala tayo sa bansa natin, magre-reestablish ka pa lang ng community. And kung isipin mo yun ng malalim, unang-una, saan ka titira? Pangalawa, anong community? Pangatlo, anong source of income? So, my question therefore is, ano yung plano ng bawat OFW 10 years from now? So, with all due respect to all of us, sino sa atin ang pwedeng magsabi na, okay, 10 years from now, pwede na ako mag-retire. And 10 years from now, meron na akong 10 million in the bank. Ulitin ko, with all due respect, no offense to anybody, 10 years from now, who can confidently say, I can conveniently retire without worrying about money because, say, for example, I have 10 million pesos in the bank. But, on the other hand, that 10 million, definitely ilalagay mo yan sa, uy, may dream house pala ako. Meron pala akong dream house, meron pala akong gustong biling dream lot. Yung dream house, dream lot, 10 million na yan, wala pang gamit. So another reality again exists, nakaipon ako ng 10 million, may 2 millionaire pala ako. Pero, it's enough for me to establish the starting point of my next 20 years until I die. Kung abutin ka ng 80 years old. Alright? So, at the end of the day, 10 million is also not enough to retire. And at the end of the day, even if you have 10 million, by 10 years, that would mean saving 1 million a year. So question is, ilan sa ating mga Pilipino, lalo na OFW, ang magkakaroon ng kakanyahan mag-ipon ng 1 million a year? Now, maraming pwedeng option. Siguro sabihin natin, uy, pwede akong mag-invest sa stock market o pwede akong pag-ibig MP2. Pero kung isipin mo ng malalim, money begets money. And something we don't have, all of us right now, is the luxury of time. Because if we want to invest and become rich, for example, in stock market, I'm not saying it's bad, but you need a lot of time, 40 years of investing, and then you can say you can confidently retire. So two realities exist. We don't have time and we will not have enough money when we retire. And therefore, we would like to propose a very simple solution. Take a look at a possible opportunity that will allow you to not just double, but possibly triple your income. And if you do that, then You can run with time, and have more money at the end of the day, and truly, possibly, live a freedom lifestyle. Now, the point is, therefore, we would like to invite you to take a look at this groundbreaking opportunity. Now, I'd like to go another level personal. This person that I'm going to introduce, I've known this person for quite a long time. Integrity wise, I don't have a question. Hardworking person, I don't have a question. Dedication, support, I don't have a question. But to be honest with you, there came a time that we had to separate ways. He went back to the Philippines, and then he started to join a different company. And at that time, he also invited me to join that company, but I said, I'm not interested. I straight away declined the invitation. Because for me, my personal opinion, meron akong mga pinagpipilian. I want to have the right people with me, siya yun. I also want to have the right pay plan, nandun yun. But yung product, medyo, with all due respect, I'm not 100% sold. And I told him honestly. But this time, after so many years, I think it's been 4 or 5 years, I honestly gave up on the concept of network marketing. Not because I don't believe in the power of the business, but because I'm always looking for three things: the people, yung mga kasama ko, the product, yung product na pwede kong talagang panghawakan, at yung pay plan. Hinahanap ko lagi itong tatlong to. And then a couple of days back, mainit-init pa, nag-message itong taong ito ulit sa akin. At that particular point in time, honestly, I gave up about network marketing. Again, not because I don't believe in it, but because I'm very particular with the people, the product, and the pay plan. Hindi ito compromise for me. I want all of these ingredients together. So I've joined multiple companies, but I did not find the people that I want to work with. This time, with all honesty, sabi ko, this is it. I want to be with the same people I was with in my previous company. And one of them is this person. I like products na ginagamit ko na. And I know that this product works. And we have that product. And the pay plan, I've observed, I've participated in many different pay plan. And without any bias, in my personal humble opinion, this is a game changer pay plan. Not complicated, easy to comprehend, easy to implement. Last but not the least, we're at the forefront of a beginning of a beginning. Sasabihin ng iba, naku, magjo-join ka lang kasi simula. Yes, that's true. Pero always accept the fact that when you're ahead, you're going to be ahead. When you're behind, there's a certainty that you're going to be behind. But it doesn't mean na yung magjo-join 3, 4 years, 5 years from now ay hindi na magiging successful. What we're trying to say is this: we are right here, right now, offered with an opportunity. The ball is in your hands. You can keep an open mind, watch people succeed from the sideline, or be part of a successful team. So without further delay, I'd like to introduce to you a proven mentor, a proven millionaire maker, no doubt, a proven product of the product, and a proven result of a proven marketing plan. So mga kababayan, ating pong bigyan ng masigabong palakpakan kung pwede, pero hindi pwede, mag-emoticon na lang kayo. Si Upline Jeffrey S. Guerra.
Grabe. I cannot say anything after that introduction. Thank you, Power Jules. And it's always a privilege to work with you. And alam natin kung what we could do together kapag we're working. I mean, because we were in different group noon. Pero honestly, kung nasa isang group kami noon, I think we can be more. Okay? Na sabog na sabog kasi halos kami lang talaga ang player on that in that time. Very humble. I'm saying that humbly. I'm saying that na kami talaga yung driving factor nung momentum builder that time. I still remember. Pero again, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito yung opportunity na sinasabi ni Power Jules. We say power because it's kumbaga we've been together for many years and that's our in terms of endearment. Like we say energy, like we give power to one another. So we call it Power Juice. And itong pag-uusapan po natin ngayon, it's really something that don't make us sleep for many, many, many weeks na. Kaya sobrang excited namin siya is-share sa inyo. And hopefully, after ng gabing ito, okay, hindi ka na rin makatulog. Okay, kasi yung tatlong hinahanap ni Power Jules kanina sa isang kumpanya, okay, magandang produkto, magandang compensation plan, at pinaka-importante po yung magandang tao na mga kasama nyo. Kasi ang business na to, it's all about the people, kumbaga. So, sabi nga nila parang you're choosing your wife, ganun, or husband kapag nag-start ka ng ganitong business. And confidently, yung may-ari po ng kumpanya na to is a well-experienced guy. I know him for many, many years. I've been an upline for so many years then. At sobrang generous, sobrang kabaitan. Kaya they gave us a really generous compensation plan na i-discuss ko. Ano po? So if you're new in this presentation, the company is called NextGenX. Ano po? It's a company that's built for the next generation. Yung sinasabi ni in the introduction kanina, yung for our retirement, that's a part of it, 'di ba? For our retirement, para sa mga anak natin, and this is a business na pwede nating ipa-inherit sa kanila. Para in case mauna man po tayo sa kanila, okay, even they don't have the skills that we have, yung galing natin, yung talent natin, they can have the income na pinagtrabahuan po natin. That's the mission at saka vision nitong Next Genix po. Of course, this is a business, so meron tayong produkto. And in this business po, we will have 3 flagship products. Ito, i-discuss ko sila isa-isa, pasadahan ko lang ng mabilis. Number 1 is yung Nitric Plus. It's a product that is good for your cardiovascular health and blood circulation. Pangalawa po yung Ultimate Glow. It's the first glutathione collagen na may stem cell combination na napakaganda. Later on, pag-usapan pa natin yan. At last but not the least, yung Kombucha Matcha Supreme Hydrating Oil. So these 3 products are problem solvers. And if you know how to solve a problem, you can make money. Okay po. So ang dami po nating isosolve na problema in terms of health. Okay? Dito, at isosolve din natin yung mga problema in terms of wealth. Kasi maraming may problema sa health, marami din may problema sa income, di po ba? So, yung sinabi kanina, 10 million, ang sarap pakinggan kung may 10 million ka sa bank, no? Ang tanong, enough pa ba yun? Di ba? So, ang kailangan natin talaga, cash flow, liquidity in a very short span of time. And this opportunity po can do that for you. Okay, so let's focus. Okay, ito yung product na una, yung Supreme Hydrating Oil, kombucha plus matcha. So probably nakarinig mo na yung kombucha at yung matcha, narinig mo na. Pero if you don't have an idea sa kombucha, kombucha po is a probiotic. Okay? Meron siyang probiotic property that boosts skin. It's good bacteria. Ang ginagawa niya, it protects the skin, it detoxifies, tapos it gives elasticity, and it brightens the skin. Actually, it combats yung mga fine lines natin. Yung mga, alam mo yun, yung mga crossfit na tinatawag o yung mga linya-linya dyan sa noo, yan po ang sinosolve na problema ng kombucha. Tapos, another dominant product dun sa oil natin is matcha. So, did you know that matcha is a powerful antioxidant? Sobra pala yan. Sa Japan, ang daming addict sa matcha. As in, talaga kaya pag nakita mo yung Hapon, di ba? 60 years old na yung skin parang 40 lang, 'di ba ganun pala? Kasi ito palang matcha, meron siyang collagen production, it stimulates cell regeneration, tapos it hydrates and nourish pa ng balat natin. So, kinumbine tong dalawa, tapos linagyan pa natin ng mga essential oils na magaganda, kagaya ng lavender oil, turmeric, lemongrass oil, eucalyptus, peppermint, malunggay, at saka rosemary oil. So, ang resulta nito, ito, ang ganda ng oil natin, na maganda siya sa headache, sa relieves ng body pain, sa dandruff, it drives away yung mga head lice, okay, yung mga kuto na tinatawag natin, soften the skin, release stress. Kung ikaw ay stress, pwede mo siyang amoy-amuyin, repair hair damage, sa mosquito bites, sa anak ko, ginagamit ko siya, in-spray namin siya. Tapos it prevents athlete's foot. Okay, so bago ka mag-medyas, spray mo lang ng isa or dalawa, suot mo yung medyas mo, and you're confident the entire day na hindi magbe-build up ang bacteria dun sa part na yon. Okay po? Maganda siya sa mga masakit ng tuhod, masakit ang braso, ngalay ang kamay, may mga stiff neck. Sometimes you just wake up with pain, di ba? And it's good to have this as your first aid remedy. Pag nasa, may nararamdaman kang pain, hilo sa biyahe, okay, pamamanhid, cellulitis, stretch mark, at headache. Ano po? So, if you don't believe such yung mga pinagsasabi ko pa, meron pa mga testimony. Okay, ito, look at this testimony. This is nabuhusan ng kumukulong tubig. So, nilagyan ka agad ng Supreme Hydrating Oil. From day 1 to day 3, hindi na siya naglapnos, hindi na siya nagsugat. Kumbaga, imbis na lumala pa, napigilan po yung lala. Ano po. So, another testimony ito sa face. Sa mga younger, di ba yung mga medyo bata, pinipimples pa, okay? Kung medyo may edad ka na tapos pinipimples ka pa, it's probably in your gut health. Okay, sa bituka. Okay, pero pwede mo pa rin siyang ipahid topically, pero much more kailangan natin sa gut. Yung iba naman pinipimples because of menstruation, irregular yung menstruation nila or yung kanilang hormones is may imbalance sa hormones. Ano po? So, pwede siya as a gawing remedy sa face. Another use case nito is sa pigsa, yan, sa mga boils, ano. Sometimes you just wake up with a problem na sa skin, di ba? So, maganda meron kanyan. Tapos, ito naman po is diabetic na hindi gumagaling yung sugat sa paa. Part na rin, nagda-dry yung skin niya. So, dinagyan siya. And the result was really, really good. Ano po? Ito naman is skin rashes. Ay po. Ito next is warning graphic content po So ito naman ay gangrene na. Kumbaga puputulan na dapat siya ng paa. Diabetic din, hindi gumagaling, nagkaroon na ng fungi yung paa. Pero good thing yung probiotic, di ba? At saka yung antioxidant natin, tsaka yung mga essential oils. Ang ganda ng pagka-formulate niya natulungan niyang magsara yung sugat at mag-heal. 'Di ba? So this is so powerful na you don't need to be like this para gumamit ng oil natin. Kahit ipahid mo lang yan gabi-gabi or bago ka matulog or use it on your face, ang ganda na po ng effect. Okay, it's a good serum every night. Okay. This one is a psoriasis case. Ito na po siya ngayon. Okay. Supreme Hydrating Oil. Yan ang nagagawa ng oil natin. Think about it. Dami ba siyang nasa-solve na problem? Yes. And I told you earlier, di ba? The more problem we solve, the more money we make. Okay? Problem solvers are billionaires. Tandaan niyo po yan. Millionaires, billionaires. Because business who solves problems, sila talaga yung kumikita. Yun ang purpose ng negosyo in a deeper level eh. Ang negosyo, taga-solve ng problema ng ibang tao. Ano po? That's the case. Okay. Ngayon, yung second product na i-discuss ko, this is Nitric Plus. It's powered by L-arginine and citrulline. So, it's good for optimizing your blood flow, support your healthy heart, tapos it will ignite your vitality. Okay, so ano naman problema ang sinosolve nito? The number one cause of death, the silent killer. Ano po yun? Heart attack. Buong mundo po, napakadaming namamatay sa heart attack. Sama na natin yung stroke, tsaka mga bara-bara, black arteries. And most of this problem is because of poor blood circulation. So dito mo makikita anong problema isosolve natin. Okay? Lahat ng taong ayaw ma-stroke, ayaw magkaroon ng bara-bara, ayaw ma-heart attack, sila kliyente natin. Okay? It doesn't mean na dapat may sakit na sila. No. We always believe na habang healthy ka, you already take your proper supplementation. Ito po yun. Okay. Ngayon, ano pang another problem? Aging. Di ba ang tao pag nagkakaedad, talagang dumadami ang sakit. Normal yun. At by the age of 30, yung nitric oxide production natin, mababa na. Okay? When you're young, malakas pa yon. Pero at the age of 30, 40, halos din tayo makaproduce ng nitric oxide. So, ang resulta po nun, okay, maraming nakaka-experience ng high blood, poor circulation, fatigue, tsaka heart problems. Doon na nagkakaproblema. Pero, alam nyo ba na ngayon panahon na to, kahit 25 years old, 23 years old, yung kanina kausap namin, 27 years old daw yung kasabay nung nanay niya na 80 years old na yung mom niya, nasa ICU, may kasabay na 27 years old, heart issue. Ang masakit doon, namatay pa. Diba? Yung mom niya nakalabas. Okay, so ang heart talaga iba-iba. At that's because of lifestyle na. Kasi most cases right now, here in the Philippines, pag graduate nila, talagang napapasukan po nila BPO. Call centers na panggabi sila or virtual assistant na talagang nako-compromise na yung health nila. Kasi, di ba, lifestyle naman, kain ng noodles, gaming pa, di ba, may gimmick pa or some people smoke, so some people drink, so ang dami ng cases. So, those are the problems that we can help. Meron tayong may tutulong. Remember na ang puso natin, it beats 100,000 times per day. Ganun kadami. Hindi siya pwedeng matulog. Kapag tulog tayo, gising pa rin yung heart natin. Kasi pag siyang nagpahinga, wala na tayo, hindi na tayo gigising, di ba? 35 million times per year ang tibok ng puso. So imagine that. So kailangan susuportahan natin yung puso natin. Okay po? People with poor blood flow, poor circulation, ito yung mga magiging problema. Yung pinagsasabi ko kanina, sama mo yung fatigue, mabilis ka mapagod. Sama mo yung brain fog, makakalimutin. 'Di ba? If you're gonna look at the data right now of dementia, 65, 67, 68, makakalimutin na. And can you imagine that? Nagtrabaho ka for so long, pagdating mo na 65, you don't have memory, alagain ka na. Kasi pag ang makakalimutin, pagka nagkaroon ng ulyanin, kumbaga in our Philippine native language, pag naging ulyanin ka, para kang newborn. At sometimes nakakalimutan nila paano kumain. Kayong iba, pinapakain na. Hindi yung kasi ano to everything is neurons, kumbaga, muscle memory. We know how to eat, we know how to take a bath. Sometimes, nagtututbrush ka, hindi mo na iniisip, di ba? The hand just do it. Pero alam niyo ba, pag nagka-dementia ka, o kaya pagka nagka-ulyan ka, you will forget all of those motor skills. Makakalimutan mo paano mag-toilet, paano para kang newborn, parang bagong panganak. Papalitan ng diaper, 'di ba? Susubuan, ganun po 'yun. So you don't want that to happen sa iyo. That's why we want you to take care of your proper circulation. Sa lalaki, erectile dysfunction is also a problem. Pag blood circulation pangit. Ano po? So if your husband, okay, meron na kayong challenge diyan. So bakit hindi, 'di ba? Nitric Plus is a solution. Again, we solve those problem. Ayan. Okay po. Magmura ba ang cause ng heart problem? Ang heart attack, mura ba? No, sobrang mahal po. 1 million pesos pataas. Diagnosis, treatment, pati rehabilitation. Pag na-stroke ka, therapy. Yung iba pong na-stroke, kaya sila nag-i-stay ng ganon. Kasi ang stroke, pag na-stroke ang isang tao, within 6 months, dapat ma-rehabilitate. And rehabilitation is expensive. Di ba? So kaya ngayon ba, hindi nagpapa-therapy? Kasi mahal. Kasi almost 342,000. Ganun po, no? Heart disease doesn't just destroy your health. It will destroy your savings, your bank account. And not only you, pati oras ng nasa paligid mo. Kasi they'll start taking care of you. We can say na mahirap sabihin to, pero if people love each other, mahirap siya sabihin. Pero, sa madaling salita, we might be pabigat, alam mo yon, to the family because we're sick. And we don't want that to happen. Kasi ang dami ko pong family na nakikitang ganon. Kaya sana, ngayong alam mo tong information na to, okay, you start looking after of yourself. Ano po? Ngayon, sabi nila may coverage naman, may PhilHealth naman and everything. Oh, look at this. Simple angioplasty, 425,000 po ang cost. PhilHealth niya is 39,750 lang. Okay? So, it's very important na alam mo yung mga yan. So, okay, instead of spending 1 million on treatment, it's smarter to invest in a daily prevention. Daily. Okay? So, ang resulta nito, you will have healthy circulation, healthy heart health, healthy brain, at saka healthy body. Yun siya. Remember that prevention is cheaper than treatment lagi. Okay po? Ngayon, ano ba yung nasa product natin? Bakit maganda yon? Okay. Nitric Plus, sa loob po niya, meron siyang tinatawag na nitric oxide. At itong nitric oxide na to, it is the miracle molecule. In fact, nung ma-discover to, yung scientist na naka-discover, si Dr. Louis Ignaro at si Dr. Ferid Murad, they were awarded Nobel Prize winner. So, pag Nobel Prize winner kasi pinag-uusapan mo in terms of science, talagang this is the best you can get in science discovery. Hindi siya pito-pito, hindi siya dahon-dahon na pinagsasama-sama, tapos papatake natin. Okay, hindi siya isang herb lang. It's a molecule. na pag-aralan na nananalo ng Nobel Prize winner. At alam mo ba, may libro si Dr. Louis Ignaro. You can buy it to Amazon. Basahin nyo. Okay? Says no more heart disease. Okay? Yun yung libro niya. Dahil sa NO, nitric oxide. Bakit? Anong ginagawa nitong nitric oxide? It relaxes yung blood vessels natin. So yung constricted na mga ugat natin, inaayos niya, pinapaluwag niya yung daan. Ang effect nun, mag-i-improve yung circulation natin. Tapos, yung delivery of oxygen sa mga organs natin, faster siya. Diba? So, technically, you are 100 times better when you're drinking Nitric Plus kaysa hindi. Yun yun. Okay, so, ano yung ginagawa ng Nitric Plus? Widens blood vessels, improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, support heart health, and deliver oxygen to organs na mas mabilis. Ngayon, sino may kailangan nun? Ikaw at lahat ng taong nakapaligid sa'yo. Lahat ng gustong gumanda po ang blood circulation. In simple terms, if it helps the blood move freely inside our body. So pagka ang dugo natin maayos ang blood flow, lahat po maayos. Mata mo, okay? Kidney mo, okay? Mga kasukasuan mo, lahat po yan. Dahil wala kang body pain kasi nagpa-flow properly. Okay? Paano mo ma-realize kung may body pain? Subukan mo mahiga maghapon. Mahiga ka lang sa bed. Alam mo, pag tayo mo, masakit ang likod mo. Because of, that means hindi nakakapag-flow properly ang katawan. Okay? Yan siya. So, inside the product, meron tayong 2 amino acids ingredients. Itong 2 amino acids na to, they are responsible in producing nitric oxide sa katawan. Ano yun? L-arginine tsaka L-citrulline. Okay? Yung L-arginine tsaka L-citrulline na yan, hindi po sila pwedeng maghiwalay. Okay? Kumbaga, L-arginine is the kare-kare, L-citrulline is the bagoong. Okay siya? Bakit? Meron ka kasing mga supplement na makikita sa market na arginine lang. Ang problema doon, L-arginine is heavily processed, partly destroyed by the liver. So, ang ma-absorb mo sa bloodstream mo, mga 10 to 15% lang. Hindi pure. Okay, ngayon, may magic. Sabi ni Dr. Ignaro, okay, kailangan lagyan mo siya ng citrulline. Kasi pag linagyan mo siya ng L-citrulline, it bypasses the liver's filtration and converted it into arginine in the kidney. So, ang resulta po nun, okay, higher and longer lasting plasma arginine levels in the body. So, mas maraming nitric oxide ang na-absorb natin. Kaya sila bagoong at saka kare-kare. Di ba? They work together. Yun siya. So, pag itong dalawang to nag-work together, more nitric oxide and it lasts longer to the bloodstream. So, yung paghinga mo, ang ganda. Diba? You really feel good. You really feel great about it. Okay po? So, ito yung magiging resulta. Better health, stronger energy levels, clearer thinking, yung pagiging makakalimutin, nai-eradicate na natin sa problema yon. Improve physical performance, ano po? So, yung erectile dysfunction, pwede na siguro nating eradicate kasi sabi dito, improve physical performance. Ano po? Tapos, healthier blood pressure. Yun siya. Simply put it better. Better circulation, better overall health po. Ayan. So, this is nitric plus. Remember that your organs needs oxygen. So, if blood cannot move properly, the body slowly begins to suffer. So, dapat talaga, okay? Dapat talaga ang dugo dire-diretso. Na po, take care of your heart early. Your heart works every second of your life. Kagaya mo yun, ngayon nakikinig ka, nagbibit yung heart mo. Diba? So, you want to support it. And it's the best investment for yourself. Okay po? So, that's the second product. Ang ganda, ano? So, third, ito yung second product, Nitric Plus. So, yan ang iinumin natin araw-araw. Okay po? Third product that I will introduce to you is a product called Ultimate Glow. It's a premium. Okay, say it with me, premium. Pag sinabi natin premium, lahat ng ingredients na nandito po, top quality. Okay? They're all from Japan. Ano po? Ang ano nito, ang component nito, glutathione. Ano, 'di ba? Ang ganda ng gluta. Okay? So, it enhance yung complexion mo, lininis yung kidney mo. Okay, tas collagen, tas yung L-citrulline tsaka L-arginine meron din po to for proper absorption naman. Tas may Garcinia cambogia din to. Bakit? Karamihan ng glutathione sa market nakakataba. Okay? So, linagyan na natin siya ng appetite suppressant. Garcinia cambogia. So, yung sugar craving mo, medyo masosolve na Tapos alpha-lipoic acid for elasticity ng skin mo rin. At saka meron siyang napakagandang product, Dear Stem Cell. Oh, ano ay stem cell? Baka nagtataka naman kayo. Stem cells po ay pampahaba ng buhay. Sikreto to ng mga mayayaman. Okay? So, pag nagtitake ka ng stem cell, you belong, kumbaga, to the ano. Pero hindi mo kailangan maging super yaman para mag-stem cell kasi science is already here right now. Nung unang panahon, talagang pang mayaman lang siya. Pero ngayon, we can bring it to every home na kay yan siya. So, explain ko lang mabilis ang stem cells. We already have our own stem cells sa katawan. And halos lahat yan natutulog. So, kailangan natin ng stimulator. Yung somebody na magigising, magwe-wake up. That's why we need to take stem cell. Okay? Kapag yung mga stem cell na yan nagising, the brain will, uutusan niya. Di-designate niya kung saan sila kailangan. Example, yung liver mo, functioning na lang siya ng 40% or 60% functioning na lang siya. Sasabihin ng brain, stem cells, punta ka sa liver. The stem cells will start, they're the construction worker of the body. They will start fixing the liver, and in 3 months' time, you have a brand new liver. Ganun po siya kaganda. Brand new. Okay? So, doon mo makikita. So, ito yung ginagamit nila, Joseph Estrada, Imelda Marcos po. Yan yung ginagamit nila. Okay? So, pag doon mo siya tinignan. Teka lang silent natin yung mga Okay. Yan. Pag doon mo siya tinignan, pampaganda na siya, pampahaba pa siya ng buhay. And you know, our life expectancy right now, mas mahaba kaysa sa mga parents natin. Ang life expectancy nila, 75, 80. Tayo po ay nasa 90. Okay? Ang mga anak po natin, the generation next to us, Gen Alpha, tsaka Gen Z, they're expected to be 120, 130. Why? Technology, science is already here. Alam na nila yung nitric oxide, mababasa na nila yung stem cells, di ba? So, hindi na rin sila masyadong magba-vices like cigarettes, yung mga ganon. So, yun po yung mangyayari. So, if you take this, gaganda ka, papayat ka, habang buhay mo. Okay, so this is Ultimate Glow, your premium product. Ang dami nating nasosolve na problema dito, di ba? Kasi ang dami pong takot tumanda. Actually, yung iba hindi takot tumanda, ayaw lang nila pumangit, kaya sila takot tumanda. So right now, we already have a solution for them. At sabi ko nga, yung nanay, pag nakakita siya ng pag nakakita yung anak niya ng gluta sa nila, nakikipag-agawan na yung mga bata ngayon sa glutathione. Di ba? Bawat bahay ngayon pwede na 2-3 gluta. Alright. So, those are the 3 product. The next question is, magkano po yung mga yan? Okay, these are the prices. 3,525,23. Si Ultimate Glow, 3,500. Nitric Plus is 2,500. 2,300 Supreme Oil. The good news is you don't pay those SRP. You can pay straight as a distributor price because you're listening right now to a orientation. Ano po? So, 2,800 na lang yung Ultimate Glow, 1,999 yung Nitric Plus, 1,800 yung Supreme Hydrating Oil. So, we have free membership. Mag-avail ka lang ng product, automatic po, you're a member na. Ngayon, let's talk about business. So, para makapag-start ka ng negosyo, pili ka ng package mo. Trial, Starter, Elite, Business. So, sa bawat package, meron tayong minimum purchase required. Okay, 1,000 sa trial, Starter is 5,000, 25,000 sa Elite, tapos po, Business is 100,000. Ang pagkakaiba ng mga package na yan, when you do your reorders. Kapag nag-repeat purchase ka. Kapag trial ka, every time you purchase, 10% discount lang. Pag starter, 15, pag elite, 20, pag business po, 30%. Okay? And while you are listening on this recording, o kaya listening on this presentation, we are having a promo right now. This is July. Okay, July 20 po ngayon. So we're having a promo right now. If you purchase an elite, automatic your account will be promoted sa business account po. So, instead of you just getting 20%, magiging 30% discount na po kayo lifetime sa lahat ng products natin. So, your price list will be like this. Okay, so 3,500 ang Ultimate Glow. Kapag business member ka, mabibili mo na lang siya ng 1,960. Pag elite naman, 2,240. Si starter, 2,380. Si trial, 2,520. Same as Nitric Plus, 1,399 na lang siya. Si Supreme, 1,260 na lang siya. 'Di ba? So, the more discount you want, the more income you have. Okay po? Now, the way we produce this, the way we market the product is through network marketing, kagaya ng nalaman nyo sa introduction kanina. And network marketing is a really powerful industry. Bakit? Similar to sa franchising. Similar siya sa McDonald's. If you're familiar with McDonald's, di ba? Tanong, kung isa lang ba ang branch ng McDonald's, yayaman siya? Will it be a billion-dollar company? Hindi. Kung isa lang ang branch ng Starbucks, billion-dollar company ba siya? Hindi rin. Diba? So, kailangan lagi nagba-branch out. Bakit? To cater more customers. Ano po? So, in our case, okay po, bakit tayo nagpaparami ng tao at saka ng distributor? Kasi these distributors, sila yung mga magkikwento ng personal experience when they're using the product. They can educate yung customers and they can build a relationship. Kasi one person like you and me, maybe we can just cater 20 to 30 customers, di ba? Pero, if you duplicate yourself, marami kang distributor under you, also catering 20 to 30 customers, edi ano po, if you have 100, then you have 2,000 or 2,000 customers. Kung 20 each, di ba? So, dumadami na duplicate. At kapag marami kang distributor, dito na pumapasok yung marami kang oras. Kasi yung oras ng distributors mo will be your time. And time is equals to money. The more time you have, the more money you have. Yun yung tinok about kanina sa intro, di ba? Like, kahit mag-invest ka ngayon, ang sa investment kasi labanan oras. Dito, if you duplicate yourself, ang labanan dito oras. The more time you have, means to say, the bigger team you have, the more time you have. And the more time you have, the more money you have. That's a simple logic. Okay? Ngayon, tayong mga distributor, we create satisfied customers. And these satisfied customers will continue purchasing products because they receive genuine value. Okay? Nagustuhan po nila yung product. So, mag-recur yung income mo month after month after month. And then yung ibang customers, they will say, I wanna be a distributor. Kasi si-share mo sa kanila yung business na to eh. Kung gusto mo, gamit ka ng produkto, pwede ka rin mag-distributor. Mapapanood nila tong recording na to. So pag napanood nila to, okay, how to do the business, maintindihan din nila. And eventually, they will become a leader. They can share, they can talk, they will do the same thing. Diba? Tapos yung commission mo, lalaki. Yung team sales commission mo, lalaki din. Yung repeat customers mo, lalaki din. And you will be surprised, ang dami mo ng income na nakukuha. Okay, nasosolve na natin yung problema mo sa utang, yung problema mo sa loans, problema mo sa credit cards, problema mo sa pagsisave, problem if you're looking for the renovation ng bahay or new house or a property that you're always longing for, ito yun. Okay, naduduplicate na siya. Okay po, ngayon, okay, what are the advantages of network marketing? Bakit mo ito pipiliin? Una, low startup capital. May kaibigan ako kanina, yung pinesenta namin kanina, every time, okay, nag-ooperate yung business niya, kailangan niyang operating costs. Kasi hindi gagana yung business niya nang walang tao. Kailangan niya na magpasweldo, di ba? Before nag-start yung business niya, nagbayad na siya ng business permit, hindi pa siya nagbebenta, bumili siya inventory and everything. So dito po, 100,000 pesos maximum kung business account ang kukunin mo. 100,000, that's the least, that's the max you could start a capital dito. Diba? Kung di kaya, 25,000, avail mo yung promo. 25,000, mapopromote dun sa business. 25,000. Anong negosyo ang matatayo mo sa 25,000? Wala. Siomai? Hindi kulang yon. Fishball? Kulang pa rin. Diba? Yung food cart ngayon, mahal na. Di po ba? Ngayon, no need to create your own product. Kasi if you create your own product, you're gonna spend so much sa research and development, you're gonna spend so much sa inventory, di ba? May mga formulator. Yung gumawa ka nga lang ng embutido eh. Bibili ka ng weighing scale, bibili ka ng freezer, bibili ka ng aluminum foil. Ikaw pa, magbebenta. Di ba? Dito, may magaganda na tayong produkto, okay? Ima-market mo na lang. Flexible schedule. You're working right now, OFW ka, kay empleyado ka, estudyante ka, you can do this anytime. Right now, you're listening. Anong oras na sa bansa mo? Anong oras na sa bansa ko? Pero we can connect. The flexibility. Unlimited income potential. It's a performance base. Mas mataas ang goal mo, mas masipag ka. Okay, gusto mong baguhin yung buhay mo in the next 3 months, pwede po yun. In a snap of a finger. Basta gusto mong trabahuhin, nag-decision ka, gusto mo ng 1 million in 3 months, tinambaho mo, you got it here. Okay po? Opportunity to build recurring income kasi ang products natin, ang bilis ng repeat purchase. Okay? Develop leadership skills, communication, gumagaling ka. Kasi tuturuan ka namin, may mga training tayo, paano mag-communicate sa tao, paano mag-present, okay, paano yung proper handling ng ganito, we'll teach you how to do that. Okay? Leverage yung social media. Grabe, pag nakita mo yung social media at saka may AI na ngayon, we can also teach you and guide you to that. Earn incentive, travel bonus, lifestyle reward, ang galing. So, your income directly connected to the value you create to help other people succeed dito sa negosyo natin. Okay? So, ito yung ulit yung mga package. Okay? 1,000 to 499 trial yan. Starter is ito, package A, package B, package C. Okay? So, pili lang ay yung product combination na gusto mo. Elite package, ito po. Pili lang. Best seller, elite package. Bakit? May gamit ka na may pambenta ka pa. Okay? Ngayon, kung medyo ano ka talaga, smart ka, kumbaga, ano ka, naibenta mo na lahat. Kunwari, kunuha mo package di puro gluta. Naibenta mo na lahat. Tapos, elite package ka pa, na-promote ka pa dun sa business. Pag re-order mo, 30% pa. Di ba? So, kung pansinin mo, kung mahusay ka lang, magpa-order ka lang ngayon, mamaya, pwede ka na mag-join. Pwede ka na bumili ng package mo. Diba? Sabihin mo lang, friend, I'm gonna get a gluta. Okay, o-order ako. Ang ganda ng composition kasi meron siyang stem cell. Diba? So, siyam lang. Oh, friend, pa-order na isa. Isa lang? Pwede naman dalawa na para libre shipping. Pa-order mo. Tapos na. You're on a lead package. Ganun siya kasimple. Diba? O kung ayaw mo ng puro gluta, pwede yun. Package A, 4 na nitric plus, 4 na supreme hydrating oil, 4 na ultimate glow. Ganun siya kasimple. O kung gusto mo puro nitric plus, yung pang heart, ganun din. Diba? So kung madiskarte ka, sabi ko nga, okay, you just need diskarte. You don't need money in life. You just need to be talented, kumbaga. Diba? Connect things. Ayan siya. And you can start. Tapos yung business package, ito, pagtapos na ng promo natin, tapos na talaga. So, ito na yon. So, 100,000 na para maging business package. So, if you're listening right now, July 20, I'm doing this recording, take advantage of the promo. Okay po? Next. Paano kumita? Eto na tayo. Okay? Every time na nagdo-duplicate ka, every time na nagre-recruit ka ng distributor, okay, kumikita tayo. Okay po. At yung mga distributor na yun, again, nado-duplicate. Okay, nado-duplicate yung oras mo. So, direct cycle commission. Sa bawat tao, kunwari, ikaw, naimbitahan mo ako, bumili ako ng package. Sa bawat taong bumibili ng package sa'yo, meron kang direct cycle commission. You earn it directly to the people you invite. Okay. So, example, in-invite mo ako, kumuha ako ng business package, 100,000. Sa unang tao na recruit mo, 10% ka sa first. Sa second, na kumuha uli ng business package, 15% ka. Sa pangatlo, business package uli ang kinuha, 25% ka. At sa pang-apat, 50% ka. So, kung masipag ka, nakabenta ka ng 4 na business package, may 100,000 pesos ka. Direct cycle commission pa lang yan. Okay? So, pwede din dun sa elite, 25,000. Ganun ulit yan. 10% ng 25,000, 15% ng 25,000, 25% ng 25,000, at saka 50% ng 25,000. Ganun din siya. Ganun din sa starter, ganun din sa trial. It's up to you. Okay? Next. Okay po. Level pairing. Sa lahat ng taong na-sponsor mo, nilalagay natin sila sa left and right. Okay, kasi yung company marketing plan natin, meron din siyang binary. Ano? So sa bawat pair, sa bawat first pair in each level, we earn 20%. Okay po. So, kunwari, business package, 20% ng 100,000, that's 20,000. Okay po. Sa pangalawang level, kung business package pa rin yan, that's another 20,000. Sa third, that's another 20,000. Sa fourth, that's another 20,000. Basta first pair mo siya in each level, sorry. Basta first pair mo siya in each level, makukuha natin siya. Magiging 20% siya. Okay po. Ngayon, those are for the first pair. Ngayon, yung second pair, third pair, fourth pair, doon papasok yung next income natin. Third income natin, tawag dito, group pairing. So, yung group pairing natin, depende siya sa package na binili mo. So, ang income mo dyan, nakadepende dun sa package mo. Okay? Pagka-trial, 5% lang. Starter, 8% lang. Ang elite, 10% lang. Ang business, 12%. Ganon din yung maximum income mo per day. Si trial, 2.5 lang. Si business, 200,000 per day. Ganon din yung maximum na sales mo every day. Okay po? So, paano to gumagana? Example, this is you. Yung left organization mo, dahil binary nga tayo, nakabenta sila ng 1.2 million. Yung right organization mo, nakabenta naman ng 1 million. So if this happens to you, and you are on business level, you have 12% of the 1 million. Yung weaker group ang titignan mo. Weaker sales, kumbaga. 1 million, 12%, that's 120,000. Yan ang income mo for today. Okay? One day lang yan. So, Jeff, yung 200,000 na natira, anong mangyayari doon? That will be carry forward for the next day. So, for tomorrow, may pumasok uli na another 200,000, kunin mo uli yung 12% nun, another 24,000 sa'yo. Okay? So, napakaganda nitong compensation plan na to. Kasi, ang bilis kumita. Alright? That's the third income. Ang fourth income natin is leadership bonus. Dahil you help the company look for magagaling na tao, you introduce them to the company, the company rewards you leadership bonus. Example, ikaw ang sponsor ko. Eh, ako yung first generation mo. Sa lahat ng kinikita ko sa group pairing bonus, meron kang 5%. Kung kumita ako ng 100,000, may 5% ka, 5,000. Kumita ako ng 1 million, may 50,000 ka bilang thank you ng company. Ngayon, from me, dun sa ni-recruit ko, second generation mo na yon, meron ka rin 5%. Hanggang dun sa third generation, apo mo sa tuhod, 5% ka sa kinikita nila sa group pairing. So kung ikaw, nag-direct ka, pak yan, ang dami, puro 5% yan. Alright? Okay, that's the fourth income. Fifth income na tayo. Overrides. Okay? Ito yung pinaka-paborito ko. Kasi, this income, uh, kapag dumami na tayo, time will come na yung recruitment medyo babagal. Okay? Pero, the product is, kumbaga, nag-snowball effect yung repeat purchase product. Kasi ito naranasan na namin to. Okay? Nag-snowball. The more team members you have, yung monthly consumption nila ng product sa mga customers nila, lumalaki. At pag lumalaki yon, you are now getting paid overrides. Okay, sabihin mo sa sarili mo overrides para maalala mo. Paano kumputin ng overrides? Ganito lang siya. Yung discount mo, isusubtract mo dun sa discount ng team member mo. Example, business package ka, 30% discount ka. Meron kang team member na trial package siya. Ang discount niya 10%. Okay, sabihin natin estudyante yan. O kaya empleyado, di ba? Yan lang kaya niyang package na bilhin muna, 10%. Okay, okay lang yun. 30% minus 10%, 20, di ba? Sa lahat ng benta po niya, meron kang 20%. So Jeff, pag nakabenta siya ng 10,000, meron akong 2,000. Yes, you have it. Every time na nagre-repeat purchase siya, either personal consumption or binibenta niya, basta nag-process siya ng order, 20% ka. Imagine mo kung may 10 ka na trial package. Tapos, nakakabenta lang sila ng 10,000 each. Meron kang 100,000. 20% ng 100,000. Overrides mo, 20,000 commission na. Alright? And time will come, ang overrides mo, okay po, million. Kasi ang sales, ang repeat purchase ng group mo, 10 million a month. Diba? 10 million, 20% ka. O average mo na lang, 10 million sales. Actually, kinukompute ko yan eh. I have a computation dito, kasi mahilig ako mag-compute sa notebook ko. I have a computation, 300 families. 300 families lang. Na nagko-consume lang ng 3 bottles ng Nitric Plus a month. That's 900 bottles. Alam mo magkano income mo doon? 200,000 per month. Residual. Month after month after month. Okay, average ko lang doon, 8% ng overrides. Kasi iba-iba yung overrides. In-average ko lang. Di ba? So, if you're listening to this presentation right now, baka hindi ka makatulog. Kasi sa negosyo na to, makakakilala ka talaga ng mas matalino sa'yo, mas magaling sa'yo, mas gagawin yung negosyo more than you. Pag sila in-sponsor mo, pinakita mo paano kumita sa Next Genix, grabe. Lahat ng ginagawa nila, you're earning. Diba? Para kang McDonald's. Every time na may bumibili ng burger, every time na may bumibili ng fries, kumikita. Yung owner na nasa USA. Kahit hindi naman siya yung nasa cashier. Ganun siya ka-point. Okay? So, this is the fifth income. Sixth income is yung rank up bonus. Remember this, 30%. Tumataas pa yan. That's the good news. Pwede maging 35, 40, 45, 50. Rank up bonus ang tawag doon. At ang rank up bonus, tinatrabaho. Diba? If you're tatrabahuin, paano siya trabahuin? Madali lang naman. Kapag yung left organization mo naka 750,000, yung right organization mo naka 750,000 din, you will be an associate director. So plus 5% ka nun. So magiging 35 ka. So ngayon, pag natulungan mo yung dalawang tao in your team na maging associate director, you will be an executive director. Pangatlo, pag dalawa executive director mo, you will be senior. At pang-apat, you will be presidential director pag dalawa na yung senior mo. So all we need to do is to start helping. Ang gawin mo lang, payamanin mo yung taong ini-sponsor mo. Yung dinala mo dito sa NextGenX, tulungan mong yumaman, tulungan mong magkabahay, tulungan mong magkakotse, makaipon. At pag sila yumaman, anong tawag sa'yo? Di ba? Mas mayaman. Okay po? So, pagtulong-tulungan lang natin siya. So, ganito, pa-attendin mo lang. Invite mo lang sa grupo natin. Ayan. Oh, ngayon, kapag naging presidential director ka, 30% plus 20, ang bili mo na ng product mo, 50%. 50 na. Okay po? Kapag may trial ka, yung example ko kanina, di ba 30 minus 10, 20? Ngayon, 50 minus 10 na siya, 40. So, yung 100,000 kanina, 40,000 na siya. Okay, ngayon, posible ba na yung team member mo mag-presidential director din? Yes. Pwede bang maging 50% din siya? Yes. So 50 minus 50, sir, it's zero na eh. Di wala na akong commission doon. No. In this kind of income, meron tayo leadership reward. Magbabago na siya. From overrides, magiging leadership reward na siya. 5% sa first generation mo sa non-presidential director business niya. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, pababa. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 ang income natin. So, tulungan mo lahat talaga silang mag-presidential director. Okay, and the more presidential director you have, the better. Okay po. Ngayon, leadership reward, yan yung explain ko, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ngayon, may bonus pa. Alam nyo ba na hindi lang tayo basta-basta direct selling network marketing company? We are also a e-commerce company. Okay, meron tayong e-com bonus. Ano ibig sabihin nun? We have an e-com website. Pakita ko sa inyo ha. Saglit lang. Okay. Ito siya. So, ang pangalan ng e-com website natin, Tera. So, itong Tera, it's like Amazon, Shopee, Lazada. So, pwede kang bumili dito. Let's say you want to buy, o yung friend mo gusto bumili. Meron kang link, ikakopy mo yon. Yung link na yon, automatic affiliate ka doon. So, pag bumili yung, bumili yung friend mo, you still get commission. Pero ang kagandahan dito, pag ang organization mo ang bumili, yung mga team members mo bumili, you also get 10% hanggang 5% to the 8th level. So, yun yung e-com bonus natin. So, imagine that, lahat meron tayo. Kunwari, naghahanap ng damit yung friend mo. Meron tayong mga damit na merchants. Meron tayong mga gadget merchants. Meron tayong mga, lahat eh. Shampoo, sabon, toothpaste, deodorant, toothpick, bola, di ba? Lahat. Makikita mo sa merchant natin, gasolinahan, spa. Every time bumibili doon yung mga team members natin, we get paid. That's an e-com bonus. Ano po? Next. Yung e-wallets, ito masarap din. Okay, last slide na po ito. Lahat ng kinikita mo sa level pairing at saka sa group pairing, naka-design siya for e-wallet. Paano yun? Kunwari, kumita ka doon ng 100,000. 80,000 po will go to your bank account straight. Okay? Yung 20%, madidesign siya. Sa 5% will be an e-com wallet. Pambili mo, pang shopping mo dun sa website natin na e-commerce called Terra. Okay? 5% naman is pang repeat purchase mo. So, every time bumibili ka, meron ka dong repeat purchase wallet. Okay po. So, pambili mo ng Gluta, pambili mo ng Nitric Plus, ganun siya. Incentive wallet naman. Okay. Ito yung mga travels natin at saka mga activities natin na ma-redeem mo. Example, may trip sa Vietnam. Tapos, in-announce ng company, 25,000. So, tapos yung incentive wallet mo, 50,000. So, pwede kang mag-redeem ng dalawa. So, ikaw at asawa mo, pwede sumama. So, ganun siya kasimple. Ngayon, okay, yung last wallet, this is my favorite. 5% will go as a savings wallet. Kasi, every 6 months, nakaka-save tayo. At pwede mo tong ilaan. Parang, alam mo yung Filipino term, paluwagan. Di ba? So, ito, hindi siya paluwagan. It's a savings wallet. Every 6 months, may sweldo ka. from that. Pwede mo siyang paglaanan talaga on top of the income. Okay? So kung ikaw ay kumikita ng 1,000,000, 80%, 800,000 na sa'yo na. Tapos yung tigsi 50,000, pwede mo siyang pang repeat purchase, pang saving, pang incentive. So nababalance yung buhay mo. Alright? So, ang ganda ng negosyo na to. Ang tanong, okay, ready ka na bang yumaman? That's my question. Okay? Kasi ang opportunity na to belongs dun sa mga gusto mag-take charge ng buhay nila tsaka mag-take charge ng opportunity. So kung ikaw yung taong yon, this is an opportunity na talagang i-embrace mo. At kung normal ka na tao, grabe, hindi ka makakatulog. Alright? So with that, I want to bring it back to our host, Sir Jules. Thank you very much for listening. God bless
All
everyone.
right. Thank you very much. Pwedeng mag-emoji. Para naman alam natin nandiyan pa kayo. Click nyo lang yung heart or clap or kung ano mang emoji nakikita nyo dyan. Basta malaman natin na you're there. Thank you, Clarissa, for that heart that goes to Jeff, Otix, Cheryl, kung sino pa man ang nandyan. All right, just to take away and conclude everything. So, at the end of the day, again, like I said in the beginning, we are at the beginning of a beginning. You can be part of the story or you can simply hear the story. So that's the opportunity would like to open to all of you. I believe marami dito meron naman ng experience to what we're trying to do right now and what we are envisioning. And with that, I'd like to say one way or the other, I personally believe lahat tayo at some point in our life, meron tayong vision na pagkalooban tayo ng vision, no? Bakit ka nag-abroad? Ba't ka nagpakasipag mag-aral? Bakit ka nagtatrabaho? Ba't ka nagpamilya? Meron tayong vision. But at certain point in life, na-realize natin, oh, life is not that easy, di ba? And then we started asking for provision para maisabuhay natin yung ating ideal lifestyle. And I believe, one way or the other, there's a reason why you're here. One way or the other, probably you ask for that provision. And this is it. Nasa sa'yo na lang kung papanoorin mo lang or makikijoin ka. At the end of the day, the decision is yours. But if you so decide to be part of this group right now that is brewing, idadagdag ko lang yung products ina-arrange na yon ni Upline Jeffrey para sa mga nandito sa atin sa Dubai at Middle East. Ina-arrange nila yung products na padala dito galing sa Pilipinas para kapag nag-join tayo, may hawak tayong products. Meron tayong products na magagamit, may products tayo na madidistribute. Then again, sa Pilipinas, I'm sure marami tayong kakilala. We can build in the Philippines, we can build here in the Middle East, we can build globally. So, with that, kung nagising ang iyong mga natutulog na dugo at ang iyong katawang lupa ng presentation ni Jeff, Power Jeff, ito na ang tamang pagkakataon sapagkat bukas, Martes, ika-21 ng Hulyo, itatak ninyo 2026. Hindi ko na alam Tagalogin yung 2026, no? Ito ang simula ng encoding o yung proper opening ng ating system. Everybody who joined will now be in the system and we can say with all confidence, this is it. All right. So that having said, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Talk to the person who invited you and that person will share to you the next steps, what to do next to be part of this amazing opportunity with NextGenX. All right. So meron pa ba kayong ibang katanungan? Mag-entertain tayo ng katanungan, by the way. Baka meron kayong mga questions and this is your chance to ask those questions. Feel free to unmute and yeah, speak away. Kung wala kayong katanungan, ibig sabihin napakagaling